Did you know that you can create this beautiful master layout plan with Revit and just Rerender.ai? Yes, just take a screenshot of your floor plan head to Rerender.ai, select Colouring and upload the picture. Select Floor Plan, choose your preferred preset style and click Generate. Now, wait as it generates your beautiful masterpiece in seconds. If you are a beginner or a pro and you want to do designs and produce renders more efficiently, then this tool is for you. Don't go and buy a new computer or laptop at a very costly price. Before you can do a photorealistic renders, just purchase this tool. If you use the promo code LEGEND, you get 10% discount every time you purchase it. Do this if it's a presentation or client's viewing you are doing. At initial stage, you get only 3 credits, meaning you can render only 3 images. But if you upgrade to Pro, you win unlimited render score and unlimited resources at your disposal with just a click.